A very good morning, everybody. This is Garnika, ninth class B section from Bharatiya Vidyabans Public School, Palakul. As a part of my project, I have selected a country name which is the starting letter of my name. So I have selected Germany. I thank Padmakala ma'am for supporting us to do this project and to gain our knowledge. So let's get started. Today we're going to learn about Germany. As we see, this is the flag of Germany and this is the map of Germany. We'll learn about the country in Europe. Germany is a Western European country with a landscape of forests, rivers, mountain ranges, and North Sea beaches. Berlin, its capital, is home to art and nightlife scenes, the Brandenburg Gate, and many sights. Berlin is the most beautiful way, as we see in this picture. Now let's talk about the land boundary of Germany. Germany is bounded at its extreme north of the Jutland Peninsula by Denmark, east and west of the peninsula, the Baltic Sea and North Sea coasts respectively. The border between Germany and Austria is 784 kilometers in length and therefore Germany's longest boundary, established in 1871. Now let's talk about the population of Germany. The population of Germany is 83.84 million people and the currency of Germany is euro, as you see in this picture. Ruling of Germany. Frank-Walter Steinmeier is the president of Germany and we see his picture. Angela Dorothea Merkel is a German politician serving as Chancellor of Germany since 2005 and let's see her image. The President of Germany has more powers than the Chancellor. Here, elections take place after every 5 years to elect 545 members of Lok Sabha. Now, let's speak about the Constitution of Germany. The current version of the Basic Law of 23 May 1949 is the Federal Republic of Germany. Here, the Basic Law refers to the Constitution of Germany. The Basic Law was adopted in 1949 initially as a provincial framework for the basic organization of the state until Germany reunification, and we see the Book of Constitution. The name Basic Law was intended to express its provincial nature, but from the very beginning, the Basic Law has always contained all the features of Constitution and has functioned effectively as one for more than 60 years. And here we see the Parliament of Germany. The Basic Law has been subjected of over 60 amendments since 1949. Among these amendments were the Constitution Provision for Rearmament in 1956 and emergency legislation in 1968. Major constitution reforms were enacted in 1994 following reunification and in 2006 and 2009 in order to recognize the federalist competence and financial structure of Germany. Now, let's discuss about the difference between Indian Constitution and German Constitution. German is a federation and the judiciary power in German lies with the states. The states are referred to as Länders. It has a parliamentary form of government modeled on the British parliamentary form, but it is not just a replicate of the system. German is called a chancellor democracy. Here, chancellor means the PM. President is the constitutional head, and we see the parliament there. The government of India is considered as the parliamentary democracy, which means that the executive branch of government is held accountable to the legislative branch. Under this government, India has a president who is the head of the state and a prime minister who is the chief executive of the executive branch. And this is the Parliament of India. Let's talk about the national sports of Germany. Soccer is the national sports of Germany. The early adoption of soccer in Germany started in the start of 20th century with soccer enthusiast creation clubs and championships. Here we see a German woman who is playing soccer. Now let's talk about national animal. The black eagle is the national animal of Germany. Germany's national animal, the black eagle, belongs to the class of aves, and the scientific name of German eagle is Heratus spiligator. We see the black eagle here. Now let's talk about the Republic of Germany. 7th of October is celebrated as the Republic of Day of Germany, and Deutschland über alles is the national anthem of Germany. The Wehrmacht eagle, we see the picture here. The Wehrmacht eagle is the national emblem of Germany, and cornflower is the national flower of Germany, and apple is the national fruit of Germany. I thank everybody for watching this video, and I thank Padmakala ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.